Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use split function in Google Sheet. Here I have this table. This is the column of full name. Now I want to split first name and last name. So how to do it? We will use this split function. So press equals to, then type split. Okay, then it will ask for text. You have to just select the text, then comma. Now it is asking for delimiter. So in delimiter is separator of these two names is uh, this space. Okay, so if there is a comma you have to type comma, but we have this space between two names, first and last name, so I have to use inverted comma, then space inverted comma. Okay, so if there is a comma, so you have to type in between inverted comma comma. Okay, then bracket close. So now you will see that both name, first and last name, is splitted from this full name. Okay, so like this you can use this split function in Google Sheets. So if you like this video, please like my video, and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.